Hey folks, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be making Diri Djondjon, which is Haitian Black Rice. I'm actually going to do this video in real time, so I'm not going to fast forward anything. I'm not going to slow down. I'm just going to let Mimi do what she does and teach everybody how she makes her black rice. Yes, I did say Mimi because that's my mom and she's the one who showed me how to make it. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Right here she is just showing you what the looks like, so let's get into it.
So you take everything on the bottom. Sometimes you cook it, it doesn't come too dark. Use the Maggi cube. I usually boil it, leave it there, that's the water.
Alright, so right here I'm cutting off the volume of the video, the original video, to do a voiceover so I can show you what these are. I've never in my life known that they were different kind of Maggi cubes. The first one that I showed you were the black ones. This one is the Haitian Maggi cubes. We have the regular chicken bouillon Maggi cubes, and then there's actually a beef one as well. So I guess it depends if you want to use these different flavors for your food. You know that you have different kind of Maggi cubes. Oil in a pot, which I didn't get a chance to record because she went so fast.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. Ooh, let me see that black Maggi. I ain't never seen that before.
Because that's what I did.
Okay.
I got a big one.
Kunya nak mete on TAP. Because you left it outside. No, because you know the house gets hot and cold, hot and cold, hot and cold. You know how to make rice, Mama? You put on TV there.
You know how it goes. Dropping my shrimp. I usually cook my shrimp separately.
Okay, usually we cook the shrimp separate, but today we're going to do a one pot shot.
And that's it. Emergency.
That's it. It's emergency rice. Emergency black rice. Thank you.
Have a little taste to it.
Okay, you put the regular Maggi cubes in for a little goûter.
The other one is not
It's
like
Haitian
Maggi
cubes.
But this Maggi is not like Maggi to make it like spicy, just the Maggi for the color, that's it.
Well, the other Maggi, the black one.
Yeah, it's just for the taste and the color. Why is my thing so low? Okay. I just want the shrimp to just spill a little water. Just for me to have the taste of the shrimp.
To dry out a little bit.
Rice.
Is that what you're saying? You want the shrimp to dry out a little bit?
No, not dry. Just give me a little water.
Oh, you want it to give you a little water.
Yeah, not too dry. Not if you go to again good.
Shrimp. Okay, so we're cooking the shrimp. So the sauce or the water can have a little shrimp flavor. A little shrimp. Sorry guys, my allergies. Alright, now we're gonna drop the water that had
We don't drop it all the way down because sometimes they got those little dirt on it. You see it on the top there? You don't put everything. See?
Okay.
You see, feel it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't put that in.
So the water was actually the dry mushroom soaked overnight. Yes, soaked overnight. And this is what the color of this is what makes the...
You could boil it too.
Oh, you can boil it as well. You don't have
to put everything out, but I didn't have time to boil it.
Yes, you can boil it.
Put a little water in there.
Put some more water in the leftover mushroom, dried mushroom, and then add it to here. And this is what gives the black rice its couleur. Its color.
Put in the black rice.
And then wait, let me see it. I'm turning around. Oh, wait, down. Okay, there you go. Perfect. That's a black
mushroom cube.
Mushroom cube or
cube.
Maggie cube?
No, that's a black mushroom cube.
It's a black mushroom cube. Okay, yeah. I've never seen that before.
That's the mushroom.
Okay, drop it like it's hot. And she's gonna put 2 of those in there. Yes?
Yeah. And that's it.
Come on, how do you drop it like it's hot?
Not get cool. I don't know.
You're supposed to show me how you drop it like it's hot. Hey!
No, how do you want to make it? That's a pine always has.
Okay.
Put a little water.
Add a little bit more water.
Because I'm making some more. Hey, Jojo, please, baby, get out from there. Okay, now. Joey, please.
Okay, so now we're going to taste. Stop pushing me. Stop.
Okay, it doesn't have the taste that I like.
Okay.
So now, I'm going to put some garlic powder.
Ken Martin, stop.
Hey! Put some garlic powder.
Garlic powder. Ooh, some of that Larry seasoned salt. Ew. Love me some Larry's. Larry's is good on some fried chicken too, ladies and gents. Ask my sister Brittany, she'll let you know.
Some parsley.
Okay, a little bit of dry parsley. Oh, viticas.
Not a lot.
Not a lot.
They usually say you don't do commercial for the name.
Okay, lemon pepper. I'm not gonna do commercial.
No, that's what they say when you put the name in.
A little bit of lemon, a little bit of pepper.
And I put a little bit of my adobo.
And we put a little bit of adobo, but not Goya. It's definitely not Goya. What's the name of this one? I can't remember the name of that brand. These are the summer. And then we mixed it.
Okay.
And now she's gonna goûter.
Okay.
Tastes good to
I'm
you?
gonna put a little butter on it.
Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of butter. And then we're gonna let it boil. A little bit of that orange butter.
One time I tell.
It's been in there for a while. There you go. And now we're gonna bring this to a boil and add our rice. Before I put that in. Okay, so now this is boiling. The question I want to know is, how do you measure your rice?
I had a Goya can. Yeah. A Goya one. I probably take, that depends how much rice you're making. Right? I probably take one, but I take 3 of these.
3 of these.
Because I don't have no beans inside there.
Okay.
Okay.
So ain't no real measurement, people.
Nope.
Nope. And then, okay,
if I had bean, I would use 2.
Old school with her hand.
My hand is clean, as always. I didn't scratch my behind with it.
And even if she did scratch her behind with it, it'll still be delicious.
That's a fact.
That's a fact. Old school Haitian. Me, I would have been far away trying to put this in there with a spoon, and she's using her hands.
Sometimes when you put the rice, and you see the rice is all the way on the top, that's when you don't have to put no more. But it's covering the water. Sometimes I take some water out too, just in case. Okay, that's it.
Okay, this is how you know that's it. It's a wrap. Don't need to add no more rice. Don't need to add no more water. And she might take out some water.
Some people usually say don't stir the rice, just cover it. Me, I always do because I don't like it to stack on the bottom. I still could put some more rice, but I just don't want to. I think I could put some more rice. Hold on.
She said she could put more rice, but she don't want to, but she's going to.
I'm going to put some water out too, because I don't want my rice to be packed. I'm going to take some water out. That's the way I make my rice. People make it different. Everybody cook different. I like my rice to be packed.
Listen, if you ever get a chance to sit at Mimi's table, you already know this is about to be delicious. And if you don't know, I just feel sorry for you. And that's just what it is. All right, KJ. All right, mamas. I'm trying to record something here, you know.
I like pat rice.
She don't like her rice, which means she doesn't like her rice too
Soggy.
soggy and soft. She likes it to be individually grained. So she's taking all the excess water out. And she might add a little bit more later, but maybe not. Alright, so you want it to just technically be just covering the rice. Just like that. Got it? Now we're going to put this on. Cover it. And then let it cook. On what? Medium high heat?
No, high heat.
On high heat? Okay, let it cook on high heat. Okay, after the water boil down on medium high heat.
Now I put the fire. I'm gonna put the fire lower.
Now you're gonna put the fire low.
Let's just put a little water. I don't do rice, but a little water.
Is it good?
I need a little water just to cook it. That's it.
So you're gonna add a little bit more
Just
water.
take a little thing on the top. That's the oil, you see?
Yeah. More oil than water.
They always tell me that, but I never bought that. It works. Okay.
Okay. Then now you lower the temperature and let it cook till it's done.
That's it.
And there you have it.
There you go. Yeah.
That Diri Djondjon. Straight deliciousness. Individual grains. Boy, motherfuckers be trying to achieve this in their dreams. Alright.
Food, you put it on one side. When you're taking food, the food is over there.
Okay, just
you turn it around and you take it on one side, right here.
Thank you. Put it on the plate. Yeah.
No more?
No, that's it. This is for video purposes.
Some plantain?
Hmm?
There was some plantain in it?
Yeah, put plantain on the side.
What's that? A banana? No, whatever. Do you have on the sea rice?
Cut that off.
Daddy, I want to finish.
The carb shop is doing.
Mm-hmm. The banana too much. I made their own piece of meat right there on that side there.
That's look upon it.
Yeah, put a piece of chicken.
Thank you, Papa.
There you go.
Okay, so I'll bring it up.